Dude, I haven't got a card. I gave you the card. It's in the camera. It's in the... Alright gents, how's it going? You join me today, on the dual vlog. With, actually I shouldn't vlog this bit. Oh come on, yes. Alright gents, how's it going? You join me today on the dual vlog with none other than Evolution Motovlogs. Unfortunately, he has trouble getting out of car parks. As you'll find right... Oh, he's an expert now. Alright, good to go?
Leaving the elegant Hope Valley Garden Centre. We're going right here?
Yep.
That's right.
So right, onto Bamford Lane.
Did you ever get lost on any of the tests?
On the test?
Yeah, like, took the wrong instruction or anything?
No, at one point I couldn't hear the guy because my earpiece kind of fell out. So he was telling me, he was like, follow signs for this, and I was like, I can't hear you, and then I just stopped, and he was like, what are you doing? And I was like, I can't hear you.
Oh,
and then
right.
it was a bit awkward. I thought he was going to fail me, but he was all right in the end.
Literally just had my hands right down.
Whoa, you see that Mustang?
Yeah.
And behind the Transit. What was a cycle-a-thon thing going on?
Cycle-a-thon. There's 2 wheels, 4 wheels.
By the way, I've only been here like once, so I'm not even sure of the way properly, but
I got my sat-nav if we get lost.
We'll figure it out.
Alright, so me and Dan, the 2 Dans, we're on the road. We've hit the tarmac, burning some rubber, and it's a lovely day actually. It's turned out really, really nice. It was freezing this morning, wasn't it, Dan?
Yeah, freezing cold.
But as the day's gone on, it's turned out to be a pretty decent day. It's dry, which is the main thing. So, but we're just riding some back roads. We're going to head over to some twisties. But to begin the day, we went down to Snakes Pass.
Yeah.
So we did a few runs of that, which was really good. And then we went down to the lodge.
Lodge.
The lodge.
That's what I call it, man. I don't know what the actual name is, but it's the lodge.
But yeah, long story short, we've just kind of been chilling out, enjoying the road, and just enjoying being out on the bikes for the most part. But me and Dan are going to do a bit of collaboration today and this afternoon throughout the weekend, and hopefully get together some really awesome content. It's just pretty much going to consist of me and Dan ripping each other and
oh no, it's a bet, man. We need to do it properly, man, on the straight somewhere.
Yeah.
We're stuck behind the real dairy ice cream.
I mean, there's worse things to be stuck behind.
That's true, man, that's true. Oh, a bit of traffic. Gonna have to get our filtering game on again.
As long as we don't touch any more motorways, I'm fine.
Can I have an ice cream, mate? No. He's pretty serious.
I don't know whose bike's better for filtering, because mine's quite like a deep thunder. But when you let them know you've gone past them by screaming at them.
Yeah, if I accelerate coming up to them, they can hear me coming and then ignore me the other way. But then again, your blips are just like so brutal that they can probably hear them from pretty far.
We're pretty much like lightning and thunder, our 2 bikes. It's the only analogy that I've got. Obviously, mine being a 2-stroke is very grunty, very torquey. But they're both Yamahas, and we've both got this kind of upright, street, naked, riding style, aggressive kind of look that we're going for. But yet yours is an inline 4. You were telling me earlier a little bit about the engine, so it's potentially one of the old R6.
Yeah, same engine from the R6.
Is it the same power output, or? I'm not sure.
It's detuned slightly, so the R6 is 120 something, and this is 98, which is fully A2 legal for anyone wondering. Oh, should have let that guy go.
We're gonna die. It wouldn't be down the bike if someone had tried to pull out on us.
I'm sure this is the right way, but it looks a bit...
It's really busy. Is there like some event going on that we...
It looks like we're just riding through like a 1980s
Smile
village.
camcorder recording. Well, young sir, you're on too.
What's he doing? He's recording.
Yeah, there's a sticker on the back of his window that says Smile camcorder.
F-type.
Oh, that was depressing. In fact, everyone's been really boring today. I think we've just been pissing everyone off. Don't die by the bus.
Yes, lad.
That freaked the hell out of me. What was that on someone's... There was like some black mannequin, like black painted mannequin thing.
I don't know what that was. What's going on, man? There's some party going on. Look at this.
I don't know. What are we... Oh, this fancy dress.
Every single house has got these flat... I'm so confused, man.
Oh, what is this up here? Where are you taking me, Dad? You told me these were the good twisties.
Oh my god. What the hell is that, man?
I don't know.
Oh my god, this is freaking me out. This is freaking me out, man. It's not even Halloween. What the... I don't know what's going on, man. This is the weirdest place ever.
Mate, we both handled that corner lovely. I was just following your riding line. We're both feeling really confident today. It really goes to show that the Metzeler Road Techs, they've been performing really well.
Man. Top tyres, honestly.
Over the last 2 days. They've given me so much confidence in the corners. I've ramped up the tyre pressures now. Yeah. And yeah, just it rides so smoothly, but yet gives you so much confidence and support.
Exactly, like that was the biggest difference for me from coming from a 125 to a big bike. It's like it feels a lot more stable and just like...
It does, the brakes are bigger, the suspension's better, the tyres are larger, everything just feels better. You've got more power to put down, which in places is, without sounding irresponsible, safer. Because you're able to get out of those sticky situations where you need to put the power down, or things like filtering and car overtakes. It really helps.
Oh right, yeah, we're in the right place. This is the place. So this is like Castleton village, and then whoa, look at that.
It's really cool.
And then we're gonna go up the Castleton Valley. Which way is it? I think it's left.
Everyone's there, girls. Everyone. But yeah, look in the distance, you got the hills.
That's it, man. Have you ever ridden through a valley before?
Can't say I have.
Well, today you're gonna do just that.
I don't know if to be excited or scared, to be honest.
No, it's just cool, man. It's just like the best view ever. Right, so we're gonna go left. See that road? That's where we're going.
No way, dude.
It's
look
so
at the
cool,
valley.
man. Trust me.
That looks absolutely incredible.
I can't believe they actually made this road because this is the best. Like,
tell you what we do need to do. We need to get in front of these two cars. Solved.
Here we go. And
this looks incredible.
The valley. I've been so surprised, obviously being up Manchester for the last 24 hours.
There's so many nice roads and places to visit up here.
Yeah, Peak District is literally on the doorstep. It's like 45 minutes away and you've got all this kind of stuff, so... Whoa! I might try and see if I can get in front of this guy after this little... Oh no! To be honest, you don't really want to go that fast down here, man. You just want to take it in, man. Look at this. Look at these views.
It's crazy.
Like, it's just such a steep valley and then this nice little road.
You can really feel like the depth. I'm riding, but I feel like I'm on an incline, like I'm hanging off something. You can really feel it.
Yeah, definitely. Crazy.
Touring Manchester with the dance.
Yep, are you ready to move up yet?
Yeah. I thought you told me that the place in the shed was mine to keep anyway. No, it is nice up north. I've been up to Glasgow and Edinburgh and Scotland way, and I really enjoyed my time up there, but it's one of those things, it's probably you enjoy it so much because it's just once in a blue moon. If you were surrounded in the area, it all becomes the norm. The incline for power wheelies up here is ridiculous. You wouldn't even need to touch the throttle on the MT and the front wheel would just be 12 o'clock.
Oh my god, second gear or first gear? Oh, second. So there might be somewhere to stop up here and get some cool
some photos.
Cool views and stuff, yeah.
Then you drop a gear.
First gear. First is going too slow. Yeah, man, that's just really cool little road, that.
I hate going over those things.
I know.
That and storm drains as a bike rider are terrifying.
I don't think there's actually any good views, it's kind of just fields.
Don't forget the sheep.
The sheep?
Especially the ones that tried to run out on us.
Oh my god, I know.
They're the best kind of sheep.
Right, going right here.
A few moments later.